Hello. You?
Hello and welcome to Behind the Lens, your entertainment channel where you catch up with the latest releases and upcoming movies, series and more. Don't waste your time searching for fake news and release date. Join your favorite channel and stay updated with the world of films and programs. So let us begin. But first, if you still haven't watched Season 3, I suggest you save the video and watch it later to avoid spoilers. In 2018, the Lifetime TV channel aired a series about Joe Goldberg, a man with maniacal tendencies. The audience enjoyed the show, but they decided not to broadcast it on television, so they turned to Netflix online cinema. The show received a second season in the top 5 projects of 2019 in the Netflix Media Library, and a third season released on the 15th of October 2021. The show's creators announced the existence of a sequel prior to the start of the third season. In terms of another season, fans will be relieved to know that they can look forward to more of Joe Goldberg's romantic, Ms. adventures. Netflix has confirmed on October 13, 2021 that they renewed You for a 4th season, just days after Season 3. Sarah Gamble, the series creator, stated in a recent interview that she and co-creator Greg Berlanti began discussing Season 4 as soon as they began work on Season 3. She didn't go into specifics, but she did say that Season 4 will explore new, dark facets of love and will be just as, if not more, explosive than its predecessors. You appears to have a relatively long production run, so don't expect the Season 4 premiere anytime soon. The show has typically had a year or more between a season being greenlit and its release. As a result, if it goes into production soon, we can expect to see You Season 4 sometime between the middle and end of 2022. Although the cast of You Season 4 has not yet been confirmed, we can probably expect a slew of new faces to join the show, as has been the case in previous seasons. However, we will undoubtedly see Penn Badgley, who plays Joe Goldberg. In the case of Love Quinn, played by Victoria Pedretti, the final episode of Season 3 showed Joe murdering her and leaving her body in the kitchen while the rest of the house burned down. We may see her in flashbacks in Season 4, or she may surprise us alive. Remember what happened with Candace? Is it possible love will rise from the dead? I guess we will have to wait and see. More on the cast members. Tati Gabrielle, who plays Marianne, is expected to appear in Season 4 because Joe is now, well, in love with her. Ben Mell, who plays Dante, may appear in Season 4 as Joe leaves his son Henry in his care. So we'll probably see how Dante raised Henry by the time he's grown up. In terms of the rest of the cast, we can expect flashbacks of young Joe, his biological mother, and the woman who befriended him while he was in care, but expect an entirely new cast of inevitably insufferable characters. Moving on to story detail, Joe has arrived in Paris after murdering Love, who, to be fair, attempted to slit his throat first. But, once again, he managed to get out of that situation and free himself from the shackles of marriage and his son, whom Joe chose to leave with Dante, which we can all agree is in Henry's best interests. He traveled to Paris to find Marianne, and given his proclivity for stalking, Joe is bound to find her. But he's supposed to be dead after being slain by Love and turned into a pie, which should make for an interesting conversation when the two finally meet. Perhaps Marianne avoided the news, deleted Twitter, and abandoned every aspect of her previous life, unaware of what had occurred in Madre Linda. Regardless, Love revealed some disturbing home truths about Joe to Marianne, which she may or may not believe, complicating matters. History predicts that Marianne will die, but could the tables be turned in Season 4, with Joe's luck finally running out? The most important thing about that last scene, in Season 2, when Joe is spying on his neighbor Natalie, Rip, through the gap in the fence, is that it confirms that Joe is still Joe in a way that isn't going to be good for Joe, Gamble told The Hollywood Reporter. That he hasn't realized he can't just keep looking for the next person to attach his hopes and dreams to in that way. things aren't going to go well for Joe. Netflix hasn't said whether season 4 will be the show's final season, but if it does mean the end of Joe, we can also expect the end of you. Kepnes is currently working on her 4th novel in the series, which has yet to be titled. It's unclear how they'll compare because the TV show has already deviated from the source material in several ways. When asked what readers can expect from her upcoming novel, Kepnes told THR, "He's, Joe, going to a new place, and he's going to get to experience a dream that he didn't allow himself to have." As for a trailer, we wouldn't expect any new footage for quite a while yet. However, it's a pretty safe bet that more blood is on its way. Alright, so that's everything we know so far about You Season 4. Let me know your expectations of the season in the comments down below and your thoughts of the series. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. To see more videos like this in the future, hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot for watching, hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, stay tuned, and see you soon.